Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your mouse size and color into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, here we'll get an option called Bluetooth and devices. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called mouse. If you click on that, then there will be an option called mouse pointer, size and color. If you click on that, then you'll get the four bunch of different style over here. If you want the white, the default color, you can get it as well. If you want the black or if you want this one, you can get as well. Or if you want to change the color, you just simply select this custom and from here you can choose any of color if you want. If you want a different side of color, just simply click on this plus button and then here you can choose a different color for yourself. You can see. So if you click on the more, you can also give the color a name over here. Also you can do it as well and click done. After that, you can see now you have this kind of color into your Windows mouse pointer. I would always like to be into this one. I really like it. If you want to change the size, you can do it as well. You can see if you increase the size, it will look like this. Or if you want to, the color is like this one, you can get it as well. And you can also see it's a little bit of like transparent over here. So yeah, so this is how you can change the mouse color and size into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.